Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm here with one of the OGs, one of the best RPG show for sure. I fully declare this company to be one of my favorites. Okay, you guys know this. It's not the first time I'm telling you. So it's the same packaging and same box, very classy. Feels weighty today. Like, I feel weighty. Alright, so this is the wig. I got, oh, the wig info is in here. You know, like the invoice. So we get to that in a few. We got the wig cap. We got a flyaway tamer. And got a magazine. That's what weighed down the box a little. So yeah, have one more of these gorgeous magazines that I love so much. And lastly in the box, bag for storage. Perfect, so good. And it's branded RPGSHOW. So for today's wig, we got this gorgeous body wave. Check it out. It is gorgeous. It's mildly highlighted, very lightly, like you have to look closely. So that's really nice and moderate and classy. I love that. So this is a silky body wave wig. It's 20 inches long. It's 20 inches long. It is, as you see, highlighted. It's a glueless lace front cap, and the density of the wig is 200%. So that's why it does have some weight to it today. The lace is a transparent tinted Swiss lace. So you know the vibes. That's all RPGSHOW been producing, and I personally believe that's the best quality. You know, it does have a nice deep 13x6 parting in the middle. On the sides, it's a little shorter in terms of depth. It has a total of 3 combs, extra elastic band inside for extra security. It's branded RPGSHOW, and adjustable straps are also in the back. So it's their classic cap construction. It is also pre-plucked. It's pre-tinted and pre-bleached. And you know, with this lace, it's definitely thinner. It lays thinner, so be more gentle when installing it, because you don't want it to tear or anything like that. And you see those highlights? The color job is really nicely done. It gives me a dainty vibe, you know. So yeah, it's really full to the tip of the wig, and yeah, I'm so excited for this. Super excited. Came with a side part, kind of what I wanted to go with too. So let's get to, you know, slaying this. Let's go. So guys, as I said before, I'm always so happy to get my RPGSHOW wigs because they are top tier, honestly and truly. And on a biased thing, I'm telling you the truth, like, these wigs are top tier. Okay, if you wanna be that girl and you wanna get that wig, this is your wig. That wig that, you know, is just top quality. This is your wig. You see how beautiful it looks? So I was showing you it up close because this wig is actually a glueless wig. You don't need to use any adhesive, and I've done quite a couple of videos where I don't use any, you know, got to be any glue, and it lays perfectly. In fact, my previous RPGSHOW, one of them, I didn't use anything on it and it laid perfectly as a glueless wig. I feel like that's perfect for a beginner. If you work on a daily and want to remove your wig every day, glueless wigs are perfect, and I'll link that video down below so you can see exactly how I did it. But today I was so tempted because I wanted to wear this wig for a prolonged time, and so I went in with my glue. And you know I love using my glue to install my wigs because it just makes everything melt down and look super, you know, like, oh, what would you say, just it looks really melted and nice. So that's what I did. You know, my usual, I apply the glue onto a clean surface. You see, I'm wearing makeup, but I did clean away the area, like cleanse the area with like alcohol, just to ensure that there's no residue, and this helps the longevity of the install as well. And you see how good that looks. I'm totally feeling the wig. Can you tell? So yeah, once I was done with that, I pretty much just focused on laying the hair so it doesn't look bulky at the roots. And I went ahead and wrapped it with the side part. I elongated that because it's a nice deep part wig, so it looks really good. I didn't have to even go in and recurl it or anything, so it's amazing. I had to zoom out to give you guys a full view of this wig. All right, so I didn't have to recurl it as usual. I find that I never ever have to ever go back in and recurl my RPGSHOW wigs. They style them and customize them to perfection before sending them to you. Okay, they are styled and customized to the T. Nice deep parting. As you can see, I gave it a side part. I didn't even add any product to emphasize the parting because I wanted to keep that natural parted look, and I just did the bare minimum with the swoop on the side, which you absolutely can skip. You guys don't have quite a number of videos where I don't do any edges at all. Okay, so look there, look at the body. Look at the body. These waves came with the wig, okay? It's gorgeous. RPGSHOW, 10 out of 10. Would recommend to a friend, to a family member, your favorite person in the world. Just, it's amazing. It is gorgeous. Okay, lace is a 10, customization is a 10, the hair is a 10. The only thing is, you know, the hair is processed. As you can see, it has streaks and stuff, right? So it is a little bit on the coarser side. They classified it as silky body wave, but it is a little bit coarse due to that. So you want to watch that. You want to make sure you maintain this nicely on a daily basis, because you don't want it to become too like dry, and that would lead to it matting up and tangling up, and you don't want that. So you want to pay attention to that. But aside from that, a 10. Shedding, very minimal, very minimal. I find that in terms of me getting a little bit more shedding was due to the cutting of the sides. You know, I have to cut off whenever it's a little bit longer to fit around my ear portion, and that's it. That is it. That's today's wig look, guys. Shout out to RPGSHOW for sponsoring today's wig look. As usual, all the information is in my description box. Please check it. All the questions you have, please check the description box first, okay? Please. The direct link is there, all of that good stuff. Also, don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. I'm having a vlogathon series, Summerathon. Yes, your girl is vlogging next to every day, okay? So you don't want to miss that. Super consistent. It's vibrant, you know, awesome lifestyle content. So go ahead, check that out. Don't forget to subscribe and turn your post notification bells on. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.